So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the mesh pinned to the box gutter. Generally, one each end is enough, probably every 4 metres if it's longer than 4 metres. Let's roll this out, let's pin it to one end and roll it out, and then we'll cut it to size. And my marks, working on my marks that I've got on the inside of the gutter here. What I want to do is I've got to get a first pinning point. I want the mesh to be just under that line. And that will give me a starting point. And then I can work as I go further down, but I'll get a starting point with that just under that line there. So it doesn't have a kink in it. What you try and do is just try and get a little bit of a bend, because you do want this to be 30 mil. All right, so we'll probably try and get the bend started as we go. If you're finding it that it's just kinking a little bit, you can always put an extra screw, somewhere halfway along. Okay, so to give us a line all the way through, hold it in place. Try to tack it the other end. You can adjust it as we go.